Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. And power and smoothness is something OnePlus phones are known for. Aside from Apple, OnePlus dominates the smartphone world by having one of the most powerful smartphones. Samsung is struggling with Exynos, Google is going mid-range chips, Huawei is now irrelevant, so OnePlus probably has the most powerful processors in a mainstream Android smartphone, and that trend seems to be continuing with the new OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus 9 Pro will be one of the very first smartphones to arrive with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. Yes guys, it's called 888 instead of 875. I don't really like when companies break continuity, and why? Just because 888 is kinda lucky in China? So the Snapdragon 888 will be inside of the OnePlus 9 Pro, and let's talk about what new does it bring to the table. So the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 is the first chip to come with the new Cortex-X1 core and 3 Cortex-A78 cores. Altogether, the CPU is about 25% faster than the Snapdragon 865, and the power efficiency has also improved by about 25%. For GPU, we have the new Adreno 660, which boosts and 35% faster rendering with 15% improved power efficiency, and the goal here is to enable true 144 FPS gaming for smartphones, which should really be great, but game manufacturers will have to enable 144 FPS. Having Snapdragon 888 won't mean that every game will just automatically run at 144 FPS. Another important inclusion of the Snapdragon 888 is the triple ISP. This allows 3 camera streams to be processed simultaneously, which can be useful, for example, capturing 4K streams from all the 3 camera sensors. The new processor also supports Quick Charge 5.0, which means that it can handle 100 plus watt of wired charging while keeping the heat to a minimum. Now guys, all the focus will be on Samsung. Qualcomm has revealed their hand, and it's time for Samsung to show what they have been working on. If they can't match or beat the Snapdragon 888, then OnePlus 9 Pro will have a huge advantage on the Android market, but that is something we have to wait to see. But one thing is for sure, the OnePlus 9 Pro with the Snapdragon 888 is one hell of a powerful beast. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and make sure to subscribe for getting every new update. Hit the like button for the power of the Snapdragon 888. You can also follow me on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.